else here? Right, we've got our first raffle prize, which is the early bird, which is a panto ticket for 4 for the Torch Theatre on the 17th of December. So we're going to spin the wheel now and see who the lucky winner is. There's myself and Steve here to make sure it's being done fairly. There's 2 of us. So here we go. And the winner is Jonathan Hadley. Congratulations. We'll be in contact now and arrange to get the tickets to you. Thank you to everyone that's brought tickets. And we'll do the proper draw on the 21st of December.